मॅम सध्या तुमचे कॅम्पेनिंग चालू आहा कितें सांगता दिसता?
First of all, I would like to thank our GPCC President Amit Patkar, Captain Viriato, all the MLAs, the North and South Goa district presidents, and all the block members and all the Congress Karyakartas for trying to retain this Congress seat and managing and doing it. Finally, this is our first victory. Our second victory is going to be winning this seat, because so far, so like in our constituency, we have a very positive response. Everyone is supporting Congress and they want to see Congress win again. So today we are campaigning in Sant Agustin ward, and yeah, from here then we have, I think, another 2-3 wards left, and then we'll be going to the Sant Andre villages.
When you go house to house for campaigning, what are the things that people are saying about the issues?
Some of them have it depends on each place. Like we had gone to Kakra the other day, they have light problems and water problems and things like that. So we told them whatever we could do from our side. Like I had put solar street lighting in most of my constituency, so I was not able to reach them because I was coordinating with the punch members, and certain punch members, like if they were not responsive, then like it depends, no, like at that moment only what I could do I did. But this time also they have told me directly, so I can take it up. I have told them I will take it up the moment if I am re-elected. So the moment I get re-elected, if they have any works, they can come to me first only, so that I can keep things ready and put it up. So that, because you know how the government things go, it is a very slow process, so it takes time. So we can put it up first only, and then it can get cleared in the years to come, in the next 5 years. So yeah.
आमचा लोकां कडच्यान आनी ऑलमोस्ट आमी एक 6 to 7 वॉर्ड्स कंप्लीट केल्ले आसा सांताक्रुजान. एंड लायक माय हजबंड वॉज ऑल्सो इन टू दीस, टॉमी ऑलिवेरा. सो ही इज लव फॉर द पीपल दॅट हॅज kept he always had a vision for Santa Cruz to do म्हणजे बरी आसची म्हणून आमची विलेज बरी जावची म्हणून ताका सदांच विजन आहलें. बट he is not here with us today, and my daughter is contesting. She is a sitting ZP, and she has done works of the in all the in all the wards that has come under the ZP. And since now if she is re-elected, that she will also continue doing the works of what is there of the village of the villages.
As a sitting ZP candidate, how the response you get when you go to door for the campaigning?
Yeah, since this is a Congress constituency like Santa Cruz, we are stronghold. It's a stronghold constituency. We are having a good response from each and every person. Till today, what we have visited the houses, door-to-door houses. We are having a good response, and we are trying to finish by Sunday the Santa Cruz, and trying to move towards Purka Bati, Siridaon Pale. That also comes under ZP constituency. So we are trying to cover. We are running a short of time, so we are trying to finish as much as we can. Thank you.
I would also like to thank Professor Ramrao Wagh for sharing his what do you call that, and aiding me and showing his support to me in this constituency and to Congress. Like, thank you, sir, for this will be a huge boost to us in winning this election. And as he said, it is a huge boost to us that Professor Ramrao Wagh is supporting us and Congress, more specifically the Congress Goa Forward Alliance, because it is a huge boost to us and to the party, because as he rightfully said, we have one common rival, that is the BJP, and they have to be Congress and Goa Forward has to come into power now, because the BJP government, we have seen what is happening. So I think his support is very beneficial to us, and yeah, I'm hoping more people also realize this and come forward and support the Congress GFA alliance in the coming days. There is a lot that can happen within 8 days, so hoping more positive things in this manner happen.
Thank you.
Thank you.